Hi, my name is Lori Godby, and I've been coming to Countryside Chiropractic Clinic for some knee issues I was having. So I'm actually a rehab therapist, so the pain in my knee and lack of mobility in my knee was keeping me from doing my job. I was having difficulty lifting my leg to get in and out of the car, and I really noticed it when I started to have a handrail going up and down the steps. So it was definitely impeding my ability to do what I wanted to do what I needed to do. I was becoming more sedentary, and I'd gone to Northo, I'd gone to a couple other places and just wasn't getting any resolution. And so I saw an ad for knee therapy at Countryside Chiropractic, and that's how I ended up here.
So how are you doing now since you've been going through the treatment?
Yeah, I've been going through it a little, 4 or 5 weeks now, and it's definitely better. I have good days and bad days. It's not a quick fix, but if you're dedicated and stick to the program, it really does work. I can go up and down probably 3 steps without a handrail, with feeling confident my knee's not going to give out on me. My pain is less. I have less discomfort. There's definitely homework you have to do at home. You can't just show up and pop a pill. It takes some work, but I'm actually pretty hopeful that at the end of this journey, I'm going to have my knee back.
So what are your biggest goals?
Well, we boat, we hike. I have a dog. We have a pretty active lifestyle. I don't want to climb Mount Everest, but I'd like to do the things that I was doing without any discomfort. And I really want to trust my knee, and I want to make sure that I'm not doing any more damage to it. I want to get it realigned and working well and feeling well, and just have confidence in my knee and be able to do things, do my job, do my leisure activities, things that I like to do.